Imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into creating a fantastic website. You've carefully designed every page, ensuring it looks amazing and has all the features you want. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you get people to actually visit your site? That's where SEO comes in, the key to unlocking the door to online success. So buckle up and join me on a wild ride through the world of search engine optimization, where I'll spill all the beans on the latest SEO tips and tricks. Trust me, you won't regret it. What is SEO? Well, picture this. You're a business owner trying to sell your amazing product to the world. You've got a killer website that showcases your product in all its glory, but no one's visiting it. That's where SEO swoops in to save the day. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is like a magic potion that helps your website rank higher in search engine results pages, also known as SERPs. When people type in keywords related to your product, the higher your website ranks, the more likely they are to click on it and become customers. In short, SEO is all about making sure your website is easily discoverable by search engines like Google, so that potential customers can find you. But why is SEO so important? In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business, regardless of its size or industry. SEO is the backbone of that online presence. With billions of websites out there, it's tough for new ones to get noticed. That's where SEO comes in. It's like having a personal shopper who helps guide customers directly to your doorstep. SEO makes your website more visible, drives targeted traffic, builds trust and credibility, and gives you a competitive edge. And the best part is that once you've optimized your website, the benefits can last a long time. Unlike paid advertising, which requires constant investment, SEO is a long-term strategy that can pay off big time. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. Imagine you run a bakery in a bustling city. Without SEO, your online presence is like a needle in a haystack. People searching for bakeries might never stumble upon your website. But with SEO, you can climb to the top of the search results, appearing prominently when people search for delicious cakes or fresh bread. Suddenly, your website becomes a go-to resource for hungry customers looking to satisfy their cravings. All right, now that we've established the importance of SEO, let's dive into the key elements of this powerful strategy. First up, we have keywords. Think of keywords as the secret language of SEO. They're the words and phrases that searchers enter into search engines like Google to find what they're looking for. To optimize your website for keywords, conduct thorough research. Identify relevant keywords with search intent. Analyze your competitors' strategies and incorporate those keywords naturally throughout your website content. Next, we have content optimization. Create high-quality, relevant, and engaging content that satisfies users' search intent. Optimize your title tags and meta descriptions to entice clicks from search result pages. Craft informative header tags that provide a clear structure for your content and help search engines understand your website. Don't forget to optimize your images with descriptive file names and alt text. Internal linking within your website helps guide users and search engine crawlers through your content. Create a logical and user-friendly URL structure that incorporates relevant keywords. And here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly and loads fast. These factors are now considered in SEO ranking. Promote your content through social media channels to increase visibility. Monitor your website analytics to track progress and make necessary adjustments. Keep up to date with the latest SEO trends and best practices. Remember, SEO is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Now let's talk about on-page SEO. This involves optimizing elements like title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and images. We'll also guide you through crafting engaging and informative content that resonates with your target audience. By focusing on on-page SEO, you can improve your website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. driving more organic traffic and establishing your online presence. Next, let's explore off-page SEO. Building backlinks from reputable websites can significantly boost your SEO. We'll introduce you to effective strategies such as guest posting, outreach, and directory submissions. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of social media marketing and how to leverage platforms to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. Don't forget local SEO. If you have a brick-and-mortar business, optimizing your online listings and citations can help you rank higher in local search results. We'll show you how to make the most of tools like Google My Business to attract nearby customers. Finally, we'll provide you with a toolkit to support your SEO journey. From free and paid tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics to popular SEO software such as SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz. We'll equip you with the resources needed to analyze, optimize, and monitor your website's performance. Additionally, we'll share valuable SEO best practices and guidelines from reputable sources like Google Search Central and Moz. Stay up to date with the latest trends and changes in the SEO landscape. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience and persistence. By understanding the fundamentals, implementing best practices, and staying adaptable, you can set your website up for success. Ready to take the next step? Check out our detailed guides on specific SEO elements and dive deeper into the world of search engine optimization. Happy optimizing! Support the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing with others who might find this helpful.